Okay, I'm just doing a video. What I have to do here is cut some really small pieces, some squares. And of course, I got the fence set up with a stop on it, so when I go run the piece through, I'm not binding up here. The issue is, how do I keep this from dropping down? It's pretty small, it might tip down into the crack here. So what I did, this is just a quick shop tip, is I took masking tape, packing tape, and it's clear, clear tape. You can use masking tape, whatever. It's what I happen to have right here handy. Placed it over the hole here. So what I'm going to do is turn the saw on, bring the blade up through it, get my cut opening, but then it'll be just pretty much a zero clearance. So as these pieces come through, and I'll show you, and we cut them off, they won't tend to want to tip down in there too much. I think a stiffer tape might work better, but we're going to give this a shot. So stay tuned. It should save me, it should be safer for one, less chance of the piece tipping in, catching a tooth and shooting back at me, as well as not having to hunt down a bunch of pieces. So, let's turn the dust on and give this a try. Now this is kind of just a quick update. What I did try is stacking a bunch together and cutting, so I'll show that. It seemed like I stopped in between every cut, but at least I get a whole bunch of one shot. So that actually worked pretty decent, but they're starting to fall on the floor and some are starting to lean up against the blade, so I'm going to stop while I'm ahead and move those out of the way faster. Well, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please come back often for more videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again. Have a great day.